Student learning, or more specifically, the experiences students are having that provide them with new and valuable knowledge, is occurring in many different ways outside of the classroom. For rec sports, students who hold employment with the department are engaged in some of the most meaningful student learning experiences on campus. The following information is intended to provide context related to the rec sports student employee. The Outdoor Pursuits program coordinates three key areas for rec sports: the Outdoor Center, which is equipped with a bike repair shop, the climbing gym located in the Hyper Building, and the Adventure Trips program. It comes as no surprise that the Outdoor Pursuits program manages students in up to 7 different kinds of jobs. Students working as Outdoor Center attendants receive unique customer service training where they learn how to provide exemplary customer service for outdoor patrons, including adequate knowledge about local geography, outdoor equipment use, and best practice in the field of outdoor recreation. Additionally, Outdoor Center attendants receive gear repair training, where they learn how to repair outdoor equipment, including patching, splinting, gluing, sewing, plastic welding, and many other effective techniques for extending the life of the equipment and reducing waste. A highly specialized student position managed by the Outdoor Pursuits program is the bike mechanic. To become a bike mechanic, students must learn how to properly fix and maintain all mechanical processes and issues of many different kinds of bicycles, which takes a full semester to learn. Given the educational mission of the bike shop, bike mechanics also go through bicycle education training, where they learn how to effectively teach other students how to care for their own bikes, the issues they might be expecting, and how to diagnose or prevent issues with their bike. Students who master one of the positions within the Outdoor Pursuits program are given the opportunity to work as an outdoor supervisor. If they accept the offer, they must attend a leadership seminar each year to help continually develop their skills in a discussion-based and interactive format. In addition, all supervisors meet weekly with the Outdoor Pursuits management for informal leadership coaching and feedback. Students employed to work at the climbing gym, or vol wall, are classified as climbing wall attendants. This position receives special customer service training, where students learn how to effectively interact with patrons of the climbing wall and provide an enjoyable experience while in the facility. Given the nature of the climbing wall attendants also receive testing and supporting training, where they learn how to give belay tests as well as safe climbing advice to participants. Throughout their job, they are trained on safe belay and climbing techniques, how to recognize problematic behavior, and how to diagnose issues without confrontation. And finally, students with a special knack for rock climbing are employed as climbing wall setters. To perform their responsibilities, students must learn the technical requirements of route setting. This involves a greater understanding of how to effectively create a problem or route on the climbing wall and how to safely do so using ropes, ladders, drills, etc. The Outdoor Pursuits program's signature element is offering adventure trips to students. Offering this part of the program requires students to become trip leaders. To do so, students are put through a semester-long training program called the Student Outdoor Leadership Experience, or SOUL training. In SOUL, students learn through an extensive training program that requires 100 or more hours in the field, where students learn how to lead a group in the wilderness. Consisting of many training techniques, students learn to consider a group's well-being and safety while engaging in opportunities to practice group management in a variety of stressful situations. Trip leaders must also engage in technical skills training for outdoor recreation options that require specialty skills, such as whitewater kayaking or rafting and rock climbing. Trip staff are prepared to handle technical rescue situations, teach technical skills to other students, and safely guide participants in the wilderness. Trip leaders are also required to hold a wilderness medicine certification. These nationally recognized certifications are provided by contracted educators in Wilderness First Aid, a 20-hour course, or Wilderness First Responder, an 80-hour course. A student who excels as a trip leader will be reclassified from Trip Leader 1 to Trip Leader 2. Upon reclassification, these students receive a peer mentorship training where they learn how to successfully lead other trip leaders during advanced experience. A student who For thousands of students, working at Rec Sports is the cornerstone of their college experience. The skills, competencies, and experiences being had along the way make a unique contribution to the overall student learning.